Let us start the second lecture on spherical coordinate system. In the first lecture, we already discussed on position vector in terms of r theta phi, that is in terms of spherical coordinate. Yes or no? The link is given in the description box. You can go through it. Okay. Just see. In this lecture, we first have to find the unit vector along r, then unit vector along theta, then unit vector along phi. After then, we have to find the elementary vector. From the elementary vector, we got the length element, volume element, area element, and finally metric element. Just see. In the previous lecture, what I got? R vector is equal to R sin theta cos phi I cap plus R sin theta sin phi j cap plus R cos theta k cap. Okay. This is got from the previous lecture. Then we have to find the unit vector along R. Before finding the unit vector along R, we have to first find the vector along R. You see, vector along R. Vector along R. How it is? By differentiating, partially differentiating position vector with respect to R. Okay, let's just see. Dou R vector by dou R is equal to partial differentiate this position vector with respect to R. What I got? Sin theta cos phi I cap plus sin theta sin phi j cap plus cos theta k cap. Okay. Then this is the vector quantity. Then we have to find the magnitude of this vector quantity. That is dou R vector by dou R magnitude is equal to, magnitude becomes 1. First we have to square each term, then add it, then take the root over symbol. Then we got 1. Okay. Then we have to find the unit vector along R, that is R cap equal to dou R vector by dou R by magnitude of dou R vector by dou R. Yes or no? Magnitude is 1. Then we got dou R vector by dou R. Yes or no? Here we find R cap equal to dou R vector by dou R. I just write there what I got here. That is dou R vector by dou R equal to R cap. Just remember, the first case we got the magnitude is 1. Okay. Then second, we have to find the vector along theta. Then in the second case, we have to find the vector along theta, that is dou R vector by dou theta. Yes or no? Dou R vector by dou theta. Just find out here. Dou R vector by dou theta is equal to partial differentiate this with respect to theta. What I got? R cos theta cos phi I cap, yes or no, plus theta. R cos theta sin phi j cap plus R differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta k cap. Yes or no? Then we have to find the magnitude dou R vector by dou theta. Magnitude. What you got? Here we got R. Then we have to find the unit vector. Unit vector along theta, that is theta cap, yes or no? That is dou r vector by dou theta divisible by magnitude of dou r vector by dou theta, yes or no? Magnitude is r, yes or no? So let write 1 by r dou r vector by dou theta. Okay, I just write there. What I got here? What I got here? Dou r vector by dou theta equal to r theta cap. Yes or no? Dou r vector by dou theta is equal to r theta cap. Just remember, in the second case, we got the magnitude is r. First case we got magnitude. I just write there. In the first case, we got this is the magnitude 1. In the second case, we got magnitude r. Yes or no? Then the third one is phi cap. Yes or no? Phi cap. I have to find the vector along phi. That is dou r vector by dou phi. Yes or no? I just write down dou r vector by dou phi. Dou r vector by dou phi. What I got here? Partial differentiate this position vector with respect to phi. You see, r sin theta, differentiation of cos phi is minus sin phi I cap. Yes or no? Then the second term, r sin theta, differentiation of sin phi is cos phi j cap. Third term becomes 0 because there is no phi term. Yes or no? There is no phi. This is the vector. Then you have to find the magnitude. Magnitude of dou r vector by dou phi is equal to r sin theta. Then unit vector along phi, that is phi cap equal to dou r by dou phi by magnitude of dou r by dou phi. Yes or no? I got here magnitude is r sin theta. Okay, then 1 by r sin theta dou r vector by dou phi. Okay, just write there what I got here. Dou r vector by dou phi. Dou r vector by dou phi is equal to, cross multiply this, r sin theta phi cap. Yes or no? Just write here r sin theta phi cap. Here the magnitude is r sin theta. Yes or no? Just write here r sin theta. Magnitude. Square bracket represent the magnitude. Okay. Then I have to find the elementary vector. How I find the elementary vector? First just write down. We all know position vector r. This position vector is a function of r theta or phi. Yes or no? Just write down this. The function of r theta phi. Yes or no? Then how I write dr vector? Dr vector is equal to dou r vector by dou r into dr plus dou r vector by dou theta into d theta plus dou r vector by dou phi into d phi. Yes or no? Then dr vector, if this dr vector is elementary vector, just see, dou r vector by dou r is equal to r cap. Yes or no? Just write down here dr r cap. First write dr, then put the r cap. Okay, then first just write down d theta. dou r vector by dou theta is equal to r theta cap. Just write down your r theta cap. Yes or no? Then plus just write down d phi. Dou r vector by dou phi. Dou r vector by dou phi. What I got? R sin theta phi cap. Just write down here r sin theta phi cap. Yes. Then just rearrange it. Dr vector or elementary vector is equal to dr r cap plus r d theta theta cap plus r sin theta d phi phi cap. Yes or no? This is our elementary vector. This is our elementary vector. Okay, then I have to find the length element, area element, and volume element from this elementary vector. Yes or no? Let's see. Let's find out the length element, area element, and volume element. Let's write down. First, we have to find the length element. Length element. Except r cap is present here. Dr. Just write down. Dr. Second case, theta cap is present. R d theta. R d theta. The third one, except phi cap, r sin theta d phi. R sin theta d phi. Yes or no? This is the length element. Then area element. Just write down first two. R dr d theta. Dr present, d theta present. Which is absent? D phi is absent. So here put the phi cap. Then these two, r square sin theta d theta d phi. D theta d phi present. Which is absent? Dr is absent. Just put the r cap. Then first term and last term, r dr sin theta r dr sin theta d phi. Dr present, d phi present, d theta is absent. So here put the theta cap. Yes or no? This is the area element. Then we have to find the volume element. Volume element. Write down these three. R square dr sin theta d theta d phi. Yes or no? I got r square dr sin theta d theta d phi. This is the volume element. Then we have to find the metric element. Last one, metric element. That is h1, h2, h3. Yes or no? What is h1? h1 is the magnitude of dou r vector by dou r. Magnitude is 1. Just write down 1 here. Then h2, magnitude of dou r vector by dou theta. What I got? R. Just write down r here. Then h3, magnitude of dou r vector by dou phi. What I got here? R sin theta. Just write down r sin theta. This is the metric element. Yes or no? In this lecture, we study on unit vector along r, unit vector along theta, and unit vector along phi. Then we find the elementary vector. From the elementary vector, this is the elementary vector, dr r cap plus r d theta theta cap and plus r sin theta d phi phi cap. From this elementary vector, we got the length element, area element, and volume element. Finally, we got the metric element. This is all about the spherical coordinate system.